Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove a payment method from Office Depot. If you don't have an Office Depot account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the top right side of the screen. Click on the option that says Account. On this page, scroll down a little, then you will see an option for payment information. Click on Edit Payment Options. Now you will see the list of your payment methods. Click on the Delete option under the payment method you wish to remove. Then a pop-up message will appear asking if you're sure to remove this card. To proceed, click on Delete. That's how you remove a payment method from Office Depot. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.